All right, guys, this one's a little different than kind of the rest of my videos, because usually it's tool videos or how-to videos on how to fix big trucks. But today's a little different. I've had several people ask me about what kind of cameras do I use for like my action shots, if you will. Like the snap-on Traxxas truck video, and where I used the dual camera setup where we tested the impacts on the M18 3/8 and the snap-on CT767, I believe it was, and also the video on the snap-on truck when I did the slow motion shot of the steel ball bearing hitting the D30 foam test. So today I'm going to go over a couple of videos and let you guys take a look at them. I've got the GoPro, this is the Hero 5 Black, and also I've got the Eken, this is the H9s. So I'm going to put these side by side and let you guys take a look at what they are. I'm not going to tell you what they are until the end of the video, and that way you can get a little taste of what each one of them does and the difference there are between the prices, because this one is like $2.99. I think right now it's on sale at for $2.50 at Best Buy, and this one is a $50 camera. I'm going to be doing a separate video on this camera to show all the accessories and all the features that it's got, because it's pretty impressive. So you guys be looking for that one. But anyway, let's get to it and I'll show you guys what I'm talking about.
This old man in the country that I know, no money in what he used to grow. No, he don't care what people think. When a farmer turns into a hippie, times are hard in Mississippi.
Alright guys, this is what we're going to do today. We're going to do a little test on a GoPro camera and a cheaper camera. We're going to call one camera A and one camera B. And this is what we're going to do to find out which one actually shoots the best video. I've got them both set on 1080p at 30 frames per second. Both of them have the 4K capabilities up to 60 frames a second. So let's take a look at this thing. Alright, I'm going to pick both of them up at the same time. We're going to call this guy camera A and this guy camera B. So let's just take a little look around, and that way we can kind of see which one is going to shoot the best video. Alright, we got to kind of see what they look like inside the shop, but now let's take a walk outside, and that way we can kind of see a little bit more of how they're going to act in the sun or outside shots or whatever, because more than likely that's where you're going to be using an action camera. And our assistant Diesel's here to help us. Remember guys, this is camera A, this one's camera B. So we're going to find out and just do a little test and see which one actually works. Now then, what about if we go from the sunlight back into the dark? So let's take a look at this. You have to excuse my shop. It's super messy this week because, like I say, it's been a rough week. But anyway, we're about to wrap it up, so almost Friday. Thank goodness. And once again, there's a little bit of color so you guys can see how it's doing. All right, now let's test it from inside to outside. Once again, this one's camera A and this one's camera B. So let's go out into the sunlight, take a look around, kind of see how it does with the auto iris, auto focusing, all of that good jazz. That way you can kind of see how it does far away. All right, so let's go have the big reveal. And to do this, to have this reveal, I'm going to use another camera, and that way I can show you guys all at one time which is which. Alright, let me get y'all set up here. Alright, this one camera A. This one is camera B. Let's take a look at camera A. Ooh. And camera B. All right, guys. So we'll get all this footage downloaded and see what we think and let you guys tell me. Camera A or camera B. All right, guys. After reviewing the footage, you probably get a little closer look at it, but this is camera A. It's an Eken 4K. Here's the box that it come in. It's set up just like a GoPro, exactly the way it's packaged. But you can see it's a 4K camera, 12 megapixels. It does have the Wi-Fi functionalities of it. It comes with a bunch of mounts. I mean, a bunch of mounts. And it has the remote. So here's a little bit of stuff that it talks about. It does 60 frames per second and 30 frames a second in 1080p. It also shoots 4K at 25, 2.7K at 30 frames a second, and 720p at 120 frames a second. It's waterproof, Wi-Fi, blah, 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 all that good stuff. So anyway, so I'm gonna put the price to this one right here. This was picked up at banggood.com, www.banggood.com. I'll put the link in the description, and there you have it. Does a pretty good job. All right, here's the actual screenshot from banggood.com's website. It's $49.99 to $52.99, so it's a pretty dang good value for the money. Shipping's pretty fast, can't complain. And of course, we all know with the GoPros, this is the GoPro Hero 5. So, and of course it comes with a case too. Here's the case that comes with it. This one's a waterproof one, so you don't have to have, I call it the scuba gear, and this is what the one that this one comes with. Here's the screenshot from bestbuy.com's website. You can see it's on sale for $249.99. Regular price is $299.99. So anyway, guys, there it is. You seen them both side by side. Now you can make your judgment on which is going to be the best camera for you. I know for the money, it's hard to beat that one. Anyway, guys, like always, if you like this video, be sure to hit that thumbs up, subscribe down here below, and if you want this camera, I'll put a link to that down in the description below. Banggood.com has got a ton of items at extremely good prices, so if you're looking to do some action shots on your YouTube channel, go take a look at this guy. You guys have a great one. We'll catch you next time. All right, guys, here's some screenshots from the banggood.com website from the Eken H9s. I also did a complete video review of this, so be sure to go check out that video. It's here on my YouTube channel, and you can get a good close look at it.